This isn't just another luxury SUV. It is a carbon-clad monster that makes the standard model look tame. Get ready to witness the absolute peak of aftermarket aggression. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design is the ultimate expression of aftermarket dominance. While the factory G-Wagon commands respect, the Inferno is built to demand fear. It takes that iconic military-grade silhouette and wraps it in a complex suit of carbon fiber armor that separates the casual drivers from the true collectors. Let's stare down the face of this beast. The first thing that hits you is the sheer amount of visible carbon fiber. The stock hood has been replaced with a heavily vented, muscular carbon piece that looks like it is breathing. Below that, the aggressive front bumper features massive air intakes and an integrated splitter that sits lower to the ground. The grille is darkened, often swapping the traditional star for the aggressive TopCar shark logo, signaling that this vehicle is ready to hunt. Moving to the side, checking the profile reveals the true scale of the Inferno package. This is a widebody kit in the truest sense. The wheel arches have been extended with complex carbon add-ons that add serious width to the vehicle's stance. You will notice the carbon fiber side vents and the extended side skirts that bridge the gap between those massive fenders. The body lines are sharper, more pronounced, and the contrast between the paint and the exposed weave creates a dual-tone aesthetic that looks fast even when standing still. Round the back, the aggression continues without a pause. The rear is dominated by a massive roof spoiler that adds a sporty touch to the boxy roofline. Below the window, you have a custom carbon fiber spare wheel cover that acts as a centerpiece. Finally, the rear bumper is completely reworked with an aggressive diffuser that houses the exhaust tips, wrapping up a design that looks bulletproof from every angle. But looking the part is only half the battle. You need an interior that can match this level of intensity. Cracking open the door of the Inferno is like stepping into a VIP lounge that can do 0 to 60 in a heartbeat. While the standard G-Wagon is already high-end, TopCar takes that foundation and absolutely runs with it. This isn't just an interior, it is a bespoke command center tailored to the driver who thinks standard luxury is boring. The first thing you notice is the overwhelming attention to detail. The factory plastic and standard trim, gone. In their place, you're looking at layers upon layers of exposed carbon fiber. It creates a seamless flow from the exterior body kit right onto the dashboard, the center console, and even the door panels. The steering wheel is a work of art on its own, often finished in a mix of forged carbon and perforated leather, feeling thick and grippy in your hands. For the seating, TopCar typically tosses the rulebook. We're talking about premium Napa leather, often customized with exotic textures or complex diamond stitching patterns that you simply cannot get from the factory. The seats are heavily bolstered, keeping you locked in place when you decide to unleash the engine. And everywhere you look, there are custom TopCar logos embroidered into the headrests and floor mats, reminding passengers this is a one-of-one build. Tech-wise, you still get that top-tier Mercedes architecture. The dual 12.3-inch screens dominate the dash, running the latest MBUX system. It's crisp, responsive, and surrounded by 64-color ambient lighting that bounces off the carbon trim at night. It feels solid, expensive, and built like a tank. But a build this aggressive needs a foundation that can handle the weight of expectation. When you slap a massive widebody kit on a truck like the G-Wagon, the factory wheels just aren't going to cut it anymore. They would look lost inside those extended fenders. That's why TopCar equips the Inferno with a set of rollers that are just as extreme as the bodywork. To fill those massive arches, this beast sits on a set of 23-inch forged wheels. These aren't just off-the-shelf rims, they are typically the custom TopCar shark-style alloys. They feature a complex, twisted spoke design that looks like it is slicing through the air. Because they're forged, they cut down on unsprung weight while being strong enough to handle the sheer mass of this SUV. The stance is absolutely mean. With the wider track and the 23-inch rubber meeting the road, the Inferno looks planted and ready to launch. It completely changes the vibe from a luxury cruiser to a tarmac-shredding street brawler. If you're loving this deep dive into the world's wildest custom trucks, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We're dropping new breakdowns on the hottest US releases every single week, and you do not want to miss what we have next. While the body kit is all about style, the heart of this beast remains pure German muscle. It's the legendary handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo. This isn't just an engine, it is a mechanical masterpiece signed by the single technician who assembled it. Out of the box, this powerhouse delivers a crushing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's enough grunt to launch this aerodynamic brick house from 0 to 60 in just about 4.2 seconds. And let's be real, the sound is half the experience. With those iconic side exit exhaust tips, the V8 barks with a deep, guttural rumble that sounds like a thunderstorm trapped in a metal box. It's loud, it's violent, and it's exactly what a vehicle looking this crazy deserves. But when you combine high-end German engineering with carbon fiber artistry, the price tag is going to hurt. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the dream usually meets a very expensive reality. If you want to park the 2026 Inferno in your driveway, you need to be prepared to spend supercar money on an SUV. First, you have to secure the donor vehicle. A brand new, highly optioned Mercedes-AMG G63 is already going to set you back roughly $190,000, assuming you can even find one at sticker price without a dealer markup. But that's just the entry fee. Once you factor in the full TopCar carbon fiber body kit, the custom paintwork, the bespoke interior reupholstery, and those massive forged wheels, the price skyrockets. The kit alone, with all the carbon fiber options ticked, can cost as much as a luxury sedan. When you add it all up, for a fully built, turnkey 2026 Inferno, we expect this to land right around $350,000. That's a staggering amount of money. You could buy a house or a Lamborghini Huracan for that kind of cash. So, is it worth it? Here's the truth. In wealthy hotspots like Miami, Los Angeles, or New York, the standard G-Wagon has almost become common. It's the go-to daily driver for every celebrity and athlete. But the Inferno? The Inferno is different. It solves the problem of blending in. It takes a mass-produced symbol of wealth and turns it into a genuine rarity. It's faster, wider, and infinitely more aggressive than anything else in the valet line. You're not just paying for carbon fiber, you're paying for the guarantee that when you pull up, no one else will look like you. This is the ultimate flex for the enthusiast who needs their daily driver to feel like a trophy truck. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's absolute perfection. Thanks for watching.